Children, let's move on to the next one. Sudhir invested rupees 6144 in 5% shares of a company when its rupees 10 share was available for rupees 16. Find the number of shares he got. Second, his annual income. Third, his percentage income. Now children, unlike the previous one, I cannot write down a direct formula to get the percentage income. Right, here we have three separate questions. So we have to work down step by step. So let's understand, first of all, the language of this sum. Sudhir invested rupees 6144. Shall I say it is the amount invested? So I shall say amount invested. Amount invested is rupees 6144. Amount invested is rupees 6144. In 5% shares. Now this language is slightly on a higher side, unlike the previous one, which was saying very simple language. When they say in 5% shares, that means the dividend rate is 5%. Rate of dividend is 5%. You can say dividend percentage or rate of dividend, meaning is the same. Dividend percentage is 5, or one can say rate of dividend is 5. Of a company when it is rupees 10 share was available for rupees 16. Now what is that language? Rupees 10 share available for 16. Rupees 10 share means face value. Face value or nominal value is rupees 10. Face value or nominal value is rupees 10. Was available for rupees 16. Market value is rupees 16. Are you getting me, children? So this is how we try to gauge what is the language trying to say. 6144 is the amount invested. Rate of dividend is 5%. Face value is 10. Market value is 16. Find the number of shares he got. So now I shall say first one. The number of shares. Now children, what is that? Number of shares in the formula list. We got it? 3 formulas. What is here? The formula. Which formula is going to get applied? Number of shares. Number of shares is equals to, shall I say, amount invested upon market value of one share? Will that formula work out? So, what is the amount invested? 6144. What is the market value of one share? 16. Let's go for cancellation. Let's go for cancellation. 4 times 4, 1 times 4, 4 5 times 20, 4 3 times 12, 4 6 times, 4 again 1 times, 4 3 times 12, 8 times 32, 4 times. So, how many number of shares? Number of shares is 384. My first answer. Next. Number of shares he got. His annual income. That means total income. Total income, that means total dividend. And how we find out total dividend? As total dividend is nothing but rate of dividend into face value into number of shares. Children, dividend is always calculated on face value. Drill this in your mind. Dividend is never calculated on market value. Keep this very important point in your mind. Dividend is always calculated on face value. It is never ever calculated on market value. Right? So, what is the total income? Step number 2. Total income. What is the formula? Total income formula is number of shares into face value into rate of dividend. So what is the answer then? The answer is number of shares. How many shares he has now? He has 384. Into face value. What is the face value? 10. What is the rate of dividend? 5%. 5 by 100. 1 goes 1 times 2 times. 2 ones are 2 192. So total income. Can I say total income? is rupees 192. Total income is rupees 192. Right? Next is, what is this percentage income? What is this percentage income? That is rate of return. Formula number 3. What is the rate of return? Percentage return or percentage income. This is third one. Percentage income. Can I say that is nothing but total income? Total income upon sum invested into 100. So what is total income? Total income is 192. Sum invested 6144 into 100. Let's calculate again. Go for cancellation. Now children, here we had 16 1 times 16 6414. So what is that? What is the calculation hint? We can take it from here. 6144 by 16. If that we do, we get answer as 384. What do you think? So what shall work out? What shall work out? Shall I say 16 1 times 16 384 times 6144? How we save our time in the boards. This is what I would like to make you understand. Take it from here. I know that these two are totally different calculation, but take it from here. 16 1 times 16 384 times 16 12 times 16 384 times. Are you getting me? Don't go with 444 once again. 16 1 times 16 384 times 16 12 times 16 384 times. That's simple. Right? What further? Can we further go for it? Shall we? Yes. 4 3 times, 4 9 times, 6 times. So further can be indeed 25, or rather you can say 4 25 times, 4 24 times, 1 times, 8 times. I am left with 25 by 8. But since they have given us percentage, we'll write down in mixed fraction 3 1 by 8%. That is the percentage income or income percentage. So if you write down income 3 1 by 8%, or you can say income percentage is 3 1 by 8. Children, we cannot write down percent sign on both the sides of the equation. No. Either you write down percent sign here, then not here, and vice versa. But did you get that? How we went for it? Here, we did not go for any direct formula. We went step by step. Why? Because the question demanding was that. Right?